The Dow is down nearly 100, NASDAQ down 66. Keith Fitz joining us this morning. We're heading into the tail end of the earnings season, got that. And Nvidia, Wednesday afternoon, they're the last big tech company to report their earnings. All the others, I'd say they outperformed. Can Nvidia live up to the hype?
Oh, I think it's going to live up to the hype and then some, Stuart. You're talking about a company that's increased revenue something like 600% over the last 4 years. I think they've got $500 billion of orders on the books. And if I'm right and that number holds, I think 2026 numbers are going to be even better than we expect, which means the time to get in is now.
They're astronomical numbers that you're talking about.
Yes.
$500 billion worth of orders. You think that they're going to report that this Wednesday afternoon?
I do. And if they might even get this, or they might even report a number that's bigger than that, which really could light a fire under things.
You own it already?
I do own it already, substantially, actually, and have for a long time. I hope I'm smart enough to add more.
Would you add more today?
I'm going to wait, just like Palantir a few weeks ago, I'm going to wait until after earnings because I think big traders are in a foul mood. They're looking for a fight, and they're itching to take things a little lower before they take them a lot higher.
All right, let's move. Retail earnings this week, a lot of them. Home Depot is tomorrow, Lowe's Wednesday. What are you looking for?
This is, I think, more important than any Fed data point, any government point, because what we get to see is what's in people's shopping carts. The concern I have with this is that they're still buying sinks as opposed to redoing the entire bathroom. That tells me consumers are still strapped.
How about Walmart? Now, they come out Thursday. You've often said how much you like Walmart. Are you expecting to buy more?
I am. That's the one to watch, because if you are going to buy retail, I think that's the one to buy. They're moving into AI at a speed that I think Amazon should be terrified by. All of the agent AI is coming online, the improvement in inventory spending, the ability for customers to use ChatGPT when they check out. I mean, this is a behemoth in the making, so I think it's radically undervalued given a 5-year horizon.
Why don't you like Target?
I used to like Target a lot, but the company lost its way. It reminds me of Sears today, and that's a harsh statement. I think management doesn't know what they're doing. They haven't embraced AI. They tried to be everything to everybody and wound up annoying almost everybody.
You say it's time to stop the bubble babble and the recent sell-off.
Yes.
And these are your words. The recent sell-off is an amazing buying opportunity. Okay, what are you buying?
I'm going to be buying those big names we just talked about. But in addition, I'm going to be looking to the other dominant players, the Apples and the Microsofts, of course, the Palantirs, the names that you and I talk about frequently because they've got this staying power, not just the hot stock hype. They've got the real staying power, plenty of cash, almost no debt. They're rocking and rolling.
But I'm getting worried about Microsoft. You know, it's bobbing around $500 a share. You're not? Well, your retirement doesn't depend on it, does it? What's wrong?
Not in the least.
But what's wrong with Microsoft? Why is it down like this?
It's down because big traders have simply taken it to the cleaners. They know that it's going to go a lot higher. They're trying to dump the weak money out, Stuart.
Just a question of when I should buy some more, I guess. Okay, Keith, you're all right. Thanks for joining us. We appreciate it.